odi fa kwa na ekasa yi ya me da sorry ya to this the Church of Bethesda simple pronunciation no eye Bethesda mami me so bibiri se o papa odi fa kwa me hwe je Ghana TV a wonso be dey be ka me hoin na yen hwe na se wo hwa me srew brofu bi na kan ho no se wahu yesi ye dey subscribe na ye dey na mi do no so na former sister wote ne ho ano na ontie bi ebi mpa obohu papa akwa nyame hira wo se otie ye goodbye
me checha obi biara na me ka cho se anapa bia ye bo 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday to Fridays. Show me what Tender TV and Tender TV. Obo say unya a year. Say bia wa brochure and I say who Ghana so na wunni bia woni multi TV a. Eno an say what the obo yes on Tender TV yes ai ubenyame be won say misiso na ne nkomotwetwe koso kama ena afen so no se ubo J Ghana TV J as in John J as in John J Ghana TV no so no ubo J Ghana TV YouTube eno so be hu me ende me 24 hours J Ghana TV and wa subscribe ya mame subscribe na unya video ni bia na say wa share wa wo dome no na chese bibia ye kama and yo no wa follow me so on Instagram I am Nana Brown na ye din komo na bibia ye fine ene me ba ma ya twetwe enkomo kakra ene ma bi ko koso ewo Ghana ha wo dwen wa ya ubisa ho say what is really going on? Is it worth it to have a friend? If I saw was so see ye Adam for sometimes you know nanka ye say emwa enkoja ene mwa ho kire to wo ana ne unua bi aya Adam for se ne be ya wo kire bibia na nkono nso watumi aboa wo eno nti ene ye fa Adam for sometimes wo problem bi mu na asemi wo na who have a unseen camera being was so you should have someone you confide in him or her with me and no atwetwe enkomo na say bia I really do stress be and I dream be amount but another na ekoso unu obi adam for and we betray with trust bia bibi kakro be hu won ho no ochena nko na odoti abonten na wo di watem nia won kan yo se waka nia won ye no wo twato so na ensem bi ekokoso wo Ghana ha wo dwen we ya won ti ase wo dwen wa na ya won ti ase mi ankasa afiwe mu mi hia nipa mienu bi wa mabrabom abai we bi e friend Cindy Cash and abai we bi e friend Ayas in my whole 38 years in life. In Nipa, the worst people I've met in my life, and it's uncle for me and my bomb. The worst people, because me, obi oni me be him say, I'm the type when you are with me, you will always be happy because me a very fun. Me a lovely. I have a good heart. Me dear grow me sere. Me keep me nyaka. That is the last thing. Obi oni me ye pia. Beka chro say. Nana Brown there be. Me nyaka da. Oni me ya dia na ma kan chro. Say ni say awo ye me sha. Na ya trash and that's it. That's me for you. Me nyaka da. Na ukodi uni nkrasefo di akra sebe. De bia no ubeye nkrasesem. De bia no enkrofo ebenya wanum nsem etie ema yate wanum nsem. In fact eya na ahum te papa eya na ahum titi mi tufu se bo motia ne hu sene a wo beye woniama sene a wo bedi wagro sene a Why not? Do you have to talk about this? Sarah or say, I think I may start me video. Boom. Why? Men flow me video. I say, do you have to talk about this people? It's past and gone, and wouldn't be a maybe can want them. So if it is past and gone for you, it's not past and gone for me, and you don't know what I'm coming to talk about. So don't come and write useless comments. I'm warning you. Mo bia mejina video na se on try for me video na se ko. Men fra obi a wo mpramasem na me hu ye we hia. Ma me video ase. Men fra because e jana me so no me nyanso jano. O ma me di mi jaba o so awon. Sa we ye rough na me di mi jaba o so me candle ni. Maka just me ko sunsun sorry me so candle. Udi me ho agro. Make picture on Facebook. You will regret it for the rest of your life. What was that? Joyce blessing and do me will be. This time you didn't know me pan, you better time. Some say much me. What better do I have to? Do you know what is on my mind? Do you know what I'm coming to talk about? Sister me nyanso janone entretwe me so me jane me nyanso yo. Awo be anim ni tiri. I say wo tu. Amen come asem no so. Enu nti ya wo ho I go say yehu omo aye ne omo bedi agro. Me ne lady a munyina munim no Diamond appear. Me ne di agro for. Me ha me ni is getting to just say ye di agrache. It's getting to 20 years now. Me ne nkonda. Me call Diamond fi oba me fie ye di ankomo ye kan tirimusem but obinti ya semuda ababa we be the Gloria Safo me ni na di agrache papa obinti ya semuda. I mean on and on me say me kan me bu bonkrofo bebredin and apart from on me for celebrities me kwanto nchen me wo other friends many me old friends are me childhood me new my dear grand up till now I talk to them, we laugh, we talk, we do things together be brain me and I don't change the way me tie na me tie nothing has changed me. It's me share me old friends are me related to omo to say senya na tie na me who me won say me was soro ti me be hu obi I be looking down upon that person. Me ni mu je. Na san na fofo me enu ya me fa ye. Oh my goodness. Just san na fofo me enu ya me fa ye. Me hu say me hia pap. Na mo kra me ni o man fa na fo. Omo so ni nipa kra me ni o mo ani agranche. Na ehun nsam de aye bebre. Okay, and on nanchen. Unim say ababa we ya your friend na yas wana. Oni Ernesto Poku kotwem na 3 months. Ehun be ye nsem bebre otwe aba kohwe Ernesto Poku. Trendy wo Ghana. 3 months empena wo gu Ernesto Poku anima si bebre. Sababa we emre bi atwem na me ye many on my channel eye adwuma ma me koye brother Sammy story sababa we ya de me number ma obi ma wo frɛ me di matam ene nsɛm o mo ka kyerɛ me de nyame ene onim ma me so me ye video me ye nsɛm bebre me ye twa so me de wo ye na me kama dwen kyerɛ wa na chese case die me ni wuni asem biom asama san what ma say na efiri ho no me de minim sa issue na aba atwem munim mon hwa de me ya presenter me present program on TV and I'm sign presenting program me what tender TV me san present program or J Ghana TV aye YouTube enti me ye interviews obi betra na wo ye interviewer wo ni masama or de ba wo ni masama nipa na ye den wo de ba enti nipa na ka asem na edu ba bia utumi ka ate holding on cheche maybe sani mu ye enko ya no atwa so ebeko ye so anu atwa so like I mean ye di nkrofo ho enkomo eye normal God being so good no na yes won so say adwuma bia na wo ye wo YouTube na many sofo bi ye interview I wo J Ghana TV as me building sem bi mo ntomobo na mo ntie mbetse masepa me pesa me kan sem mi cha mo nhwe video bi me twetwe mandwen pesa me Ghana for mo kaya de bi kakra mo ka se mbre bi na yas ekotna delay show so ekotanishi Apostle John Paul John Pra Apostle John Pra yeah oye Kumawood actor I was saying software wakotanishi ni image pa mokai ebia na Ghana for mu refi mon hwa de omo ye video or a film miracle ni a movie bi and I'm not person hype movie no and I'm not call interview no the hype or hype ni na say woni apostle be ware e ma ye nsim be my apostle kra hwe say na apostle is ya building ni relation ni reputation papa wo ye sofo obi ebu no Ghana ha apostle ye sofo obi ebu no Ghana ha apostle ye sofo a enipa gini tum wo Ghana ha no ni wa ye film ni wa ni na koye photo shoot for movie premiere na what to me deep pictures na ma bloggers na ya video ya dia to YouTube near church Apostle Price getting married with Nayas one na eye nsem bebre Apostle friend no eye nsem bebre awo Ghana ha but mo be sha Apostle John Pra upon the wa get we tarnish ni image Apostle Amfa Nayas and Kojina police station Apostle John Pra Amfa Nayas and court because the way I see true caption and a blogger say fa am I saying you crab wofu am I yen send me papa no crab wofu be ko interview no Apostle John Pra and kasa wan fa Nayas and police station wan fa Nayas and ko bebia mon hwa de me kansa mon tobo mo beti me nsama me kansa mon hwe me kai mu video no kakra mon hwa de
go into sa asem no kwa no don't you think so in a way no who play role because pictures e ba ya na de that container
Apostle new
na utare oba echi e wo photo ni and the image like who painting e de man ye no obaka ni so oh a movie but say we are so for so at the same time it's who say who play role can be so was
not really
okay
because Obia himself is soft Messiah is in training
okay
and in that movie no and that was soprano
okay
because I had a character name decided the pan now
okay
and the Chinese are showing you pa making me have a tonage
one fun
the channel unso no nachi so
me go he nachi
make aka mo hwa de
studio mo no e ba say why your ba wedding
e was so
like and until na me pese me fam no etimi yes
okay
etimi ha akoto nachi
okay
I don't know mu dinya
na one yatin can be even though you're so fun
okaka fifi we day you know me kai say first time me na mama brown yeah no you be na me dey damn paso and I was telling myself how because beginning at the show now I was a bit skeptical about it but and then one no 20 now what kind of feeling are we in that same room I also know you're in that no you're in that you got 20
Matu ase.
Can you see you chan chan?
Okay.
Like what you crank
No.
That level.
No.
It's way soft for them, but then say once again, one feel it, you can for you.
My main comment in my say asem. Nyamutra mama.
It's one day we in a fracas behind.
No. I want to be in a fracas.
It's one day we in a fracas behind.
No. I want to be in a fracas. Decent lady.
Okay, and Obaka said, Nayas is son, Nabrabo.
Oh, yes, but you know,
Nabrabo bed on Susano.
okay, Yakutrasane, right? And person who force to promote to Saneno. And Adiano, like let's say a backfire. Just be truthful.
Okay.
You don't insist on what you are saying. I wouldn't say in trouble. I don't know.
Okay.
What time Adiano, Ejibu, I was all kind of crew.
Okay.
On shut down, Piasso, so I have to come in.
Okay.
Yeah.
It or it's someone worry. No, it's I'll go stay with
everyone want to say, me shut down.
Yo.
Me first time I do a second so. And sunset no. On that day, I'm not grabbing any just since 3-4 pay. And unfortunately for me, no sadana, no me too much. Now me call you a stunner. It me free set.
Monsiepa.
It's a just on one casano. Machine twice.
Okay.
That day on the set and time I used
We have shooting on. The question be on say, what's it once the sun is Subai from Subai Bay? Once I can't imagine from Subai Bay.
And yes, sanity.
Okay.
Okay. Only sending me a software casa. A bet we are tarnishing the image. Just be truthful. Oh, yes.
Okay.
Simple.
Okay.
Ahana asem no wono. Motiye. Wasi wunim se me ye sofo. Ebetumi atanishi mi image. Enti na de na wukọ interviews ni ebisao. Usi ya ye be worry. Why you don't want chinchine shrine? Munti asem no. Ye be worry. Many apostle ye be worry. The wedding pictures, wedding is mo ye was in him. I did my bloggers all in the name of hype. What was my papa ne kai? Wouldn't say me a suffer. A bit to me atanishimi image. Papa Apostle John Brown Fanayas and courts. One Fanan police station. Meba. Papa ye interview ye na delay ye. Nayas nso interview. Siasama Nayas eka.
I don't get Bema. Well, your Bema, but me Bema, or me type of Bema.
Train.
Oh, yes, Apostle John.
Fro.
Sabi, me Bema, I'm in a friend, pa. But what friend, and I'm a manager, one funny man, me Bema, me for Apostle John Bra. I don't get Bema. Well, your Bema, but me Bema, or me type of Bema, me pe. Oh, yes, Apostle John Bra, and your Bema, me pe. Yeah. Me sugar daddy ne ho akono pa Brad Johnson as he say wa family
Mate what an insult.
Apostle John Prana me fa no ade me ho abo me ho so.
Oh really?
Yeah, na yire so tifie na wo hwa na ne bu nkofu na emis ebufo beni o delay ebufo beni o se nipa no nti
Ye di nkomo mate nkomo twetwe no mate asem. O se papa ni bufu ya okọ delay ho. Hwe papa ni kasa wo kasa ye. Wo se sound suban. O se sound suban na unim sa me ye sofo. Mentane shi mi image. Gay baba nti o se me sugar that didn't want kono pa na me pebema enye bema to say Apostle John Bra and anka me kofa no samate sa abayiwa we hwe yode ye Apostle John Bra ani na bushia obi kunu wo se me sugar that didn't want kono pa na just Apostle John Bra ho nya kono. Says Apostle John Bra, munya kono, one sem fata. Apostle John Bra sem fata. Usu me sugar di ho akonno pa. Na me pebema na nya apostle. Hwe papa we apostle amohwe ni. Mo de mo nkompa apostle to na ya asikunu asisi a wo ware ni. Na ya asikunu asisi a wo ware ni. Eja na soba. Na ya asikunu asisi a wo ware ni. Fa kompe. Wan pa na ne ho akonno. Na wan and was sebema. Am I making sense? What can shape a pay image? Papa yan for one go police station. Papa yan for one go court. Obeka sade na na wo kasa bebre. The reason why I make us and say me ye interview with J Ghana TV me sofo bi. Sofo no ye friend no efum. Sofo na magra. Me ye interview. And I suffer need dear dance ye. Me was soon some amini asofo ye. Me were one-on-one show. Me were other shows I me new ye. But that very day no, ne ye can about testimony. And I suffer to say, my testimony bebre. I nyankopon fa me so aye nsenkyene bebre. Na baba we be a friend and Nayas. Na many on any mami na na ti achim swodro. Munti oni wonyansa no wo nimde no. Wontie me nsem no wo behu video no ameye na sekire. Anunti no what a friend is saying me na me nyomo na TV no mpo miracles no papa no bobo miracles a wonyankopon afa ne so aye bebre wonyankopon afa ne so aye bebre anunti no man okekan ya ane besi ni so ni ma me kra mra bi seni sie na nyame fam so eje ne ma me ana me kra me interview no asama papa ne kan ye no just 3 seconds. And on the mamma de any chair mu. I'm a make me say, ya na yas 1 year some now. Walking ya. Was I na yas 1 year on you and as a bokun semba. And I'm so okay. That was it. And I hear call different topic. And I say, yeah, dear no chair mu keke. What the back na dance here. I don't know. Me wa video ni ba bonten as usual me wa ho ana baba we be friend me wa recordings ni nyina wo se nso hwewa ka se nso hwewo na ya si de me number ma baba wa no na atemdidie me donyame atemdidie ababa we di matama ababa we di matam na ho tantan wo ba fun wo ba tantan wo ye kanipa wo ye nipa wo ye kon ba we me sensem no na opushi nya meboa abonti ma motie ensem again na ya so se ni nua ba atemdidi again di mbe no me gina phone so na metie eni odi matam wo maami bewu wo maami na ebewu eni ensem de mintumi nka na yas ma girl ni voice se no minim say ono aso no se eni nua eni wodi matem papa inso hwewa ka se inso hwew girl ni je oto me ho girl ni to me ho ma me hu se me na phone ni the speaker na me record it was share me papa na me cut no sign free why na me cut phone me block number no adanya die nti na me ne obi aye interview na ma ya bone ma me din yen delete video no asem na twa wadi matam so for no so frame me say na ya say dinatam edinatam ma cha say ahomte bese papa me pa twa so mamfi no me wa 2 weeks ni ya be serve me police letter ade ye hear me police station ayi ya friend central police station there wa ayi osukwan su e ho asem na me kenyo ya de me kunu J Ghana TV for ya de maba police station ye hiamo ya koye ene ye kwate kutete nsemu na ya body maami din ya tarnish ne maami image hey I ain't fun ya tarnish image ya kan san ene ye ntwe ena bra watch na bra ma sorry am at 4 o'clock akotina adwumem akotwi makeup aye madwuma wi a pemfoa enka me be fia be rest no na wo say me sign sorry na me go police station me twa kwan be pro 1 week no no dey asam no kwan no kra wo ma na me te wo me kwatena we bu ye be fo ba be du fie no ni ye me ni me ko ye ko ba na 8 ebi wa 7 traffic a be di mo 37 asan be du fie abai we friend na ya see you what tarnish ya Apostle John Pratt idin Apostle John Pratt fanan kohwe fanan kokos what tarnish ni image wagu ne hu fie gu nani masi sa by way di me ko gina kiki na asem no sie na de ekosi ya ne se ye delete yenyi ni din fi video no mu ana ye delete ena me ko se ompe ne wasem eno delete video yewie na wey ana me de me bomb empire and I'm say so now is that how it is is that how it is okay ye beshe see na wa ha interview no ye bi man ka obi asem na se eba ne saa enye na ye nyina e wo Ghana ye hwa de ye nae anapa na asa me da sorry ya ababa wa na ya si ni Tornado TV station gu Pamela ni mase gu Pamela hu fi Pamela so uko interview bia won nneko wan kasa na ya si a wada wan kasa obi ankai ye ukasa na ya no afọ na Estopoku ankan wo obi enim wo this is your chirem say na Estopoku na yas and Estopoku na ya glory and Estopoku na ya signboard wo bi enim wo enti no Pamela eneja wo trendy Pamela na trendy and ade no hu abo no ho ana wo bo won kakra na ane nenam me da sorry ya wo TV station train some time train some phone train some fear na Tornado kika nanka sene woni ababa we tie wa fa wo se ni nua wonne wo ye bibia bomu enkade ne wo se wo ye nyansani na yas enkade ne wo se nka wo ye ka wo se wo kaso ma ye commercial break na ye mra intika from commercial break no na mo ko commercial break na ga na ye den wo ne na kaso there bi enye wenti enye obi personal sem ene ye be kan wa ha discussions ene ye be discuss it inti no enye obi personal who attack girl no personally which is very bad Pamela worry ye oya young girl we si so what am I say enu nti so be tra bon ti se Pamela ya shawani a ebetumi aha na worry ebetumi aha ne be mo ne wo ebetumi aseni ma bebre ama no Ghana for mama yen ka no kre minim girls bebre am ti fie omo boyfriends bro 15 or kono ni we akwada no ni we akwada no ni we akwada no ni we akwada ashawani be na sin omo di ogina kwa nkwa no ya shawo wa di ogina kwa nkwa no ya shawo Tornado ntibida na ujidi sa man discuss ya nka betimi aye bold wo dey fine wo ni mo hwe esie wie no problem me person Ghana for bisa na ya say after the program no to me friend Pamela I catch and say minua me sorry minua ba me sorry ade na jim nsam na wan hwe ni ye nso a program ne be say enu nti na wo say me jai but me sorry o to me friend Pamela na ya so to me friend Pamela e kan nyansa semi a me kan e kire Pamela want me anyasa o na say after all this certain can for a friend ade na trendy Send reputation. Wona yekobo ma midi adanse ye no awde mkojina police station. Wo crash dia wo dia waye. Na nipa ne am for one police station, one for one court. Your friend interview no pasement no conseil. Me ye wo nua ba. Nka betam ya kase afa me ho. Me ye wo ma me a. Nka betam. Na yas mini ya netikokum. Onu na nani adwen. Wono na wo nim police station ni e yon na ye Canada ye ne ya onu na moja woni mu obi de moja eni ni mu wo betina bonten ana family crossing na yas crossing na yas when ko school nti weni mie ye weni nti ye crossing mu crossing wo betina bonten na me ma me wo ofufo ma wo udi birthday 2 years ago crossing ya oye aduane ma wo kra na onu nya asem odi bedi watem. So for you making us me, what did not police station I recorded here. Your friend was I see and can't send no phone swap. Gave this off on the man, dear Piano, no man now, so for Badani fear now, or the dinner tem. Crossini, one into the Piawian crosses them. Menana make a show, bra out, never facing me. I'm ready for you, Nias. For boots. This time I run, but be a no better agina because we are shimmy for. I'm telling you. Wo ye Jimmy for ankasa crossing ba wo to me frage kasem che na se ge na kokasa mpo a enka wo twe phone si wanim asinyansani ba ya tetsew enka wo twe phone si wanim nua Ghana fo mumu ame na mempa Pamela Chow ma nya ade na mo anya me fort mo amohwe program ni bia mbe hu se na esikoye to na do na me twa na so na emfa na me so me hu ni apenye kakanyansa semwe na Ghana fo nyina anya wasem ntum wo sa metrase ye obie wa na mebo odua kwasea wonim duabon wo fo sa bosu mo so so kwasea sam so achimi sam te sa kwasea de na wo ti abonte na wo ye no wo dia wo no obi kafa ho dia wo case wo kafa obi ho dia wa fa ho dia Pamela baby Pamela dameni wo bia no mama lawyer fa na ya se court Pamela no wo ni Pamela bia tag ne mame say me say wo fa na ya se court wo fa na ya se tornado court me sponsor no ha na ya what it what to me the me for go to police station mama go to police station quite more than 2 weeks and kwasiasem awon ya ni what tiny any brenti who just apostle anya be ma me pe na me nim se ka be ware be ma papa bi na me nim se be ma wo be ware na ware a wo be ware de na ka me nim se dia wo be ye de nke bi mada bebrebe yin away apostle don plan on your size no we na ko fire sister I'm ready for you Pamela Jinancha want to call we mumegiakun. I'm ready for you. What bodam? Would ye or ye dear ne budget? Ah, yan de yan fendi no. Was ya babana that is a one I ask. Ha, Mina brana me no walk no. Share Pamela Nayas. Oh sorry, may be sawasem. Nayas. Me pesa will back out. Now wo memma one audio. Me trust me. Memma one audio. Me na ma brown. Memma one audio. Memma one screenshot. We am best show. I'm ready for you, Nayas. Me na wunim odi wo se akoshe jatenu. Wodi wo se me kai dana na the last day. Na pay for what me need here. Na ma pon fiti ana pakot na ayi e friend say police station na me e bomb 9 na me magufie no mu need here. Nayas, you are dead. Me no be ni boots for boots. Me se mon tagi Pamela mame. Over Nayas in court because on worry or so ya shawani. Wo bada that say wo. Unim se ni etani show be image wan. Wo unim se ni me am obi kasam. Me all the glorify nyankopon. So for so no mami na musi yenim no yade na trefie da enyen trosem. Dia udi matem di mi mami atem. Asandi bi ko gina police station. Now refis a wosono wonso ye adwuma me ye bi dako ubeka obi asem wanya asem me se mo ntage Pamela mame me sponsor me man lawyer hey me last friend cry me the be one more dia or the girl na court kwase aba ya di obi dia ando de onya nipa on wo dia we ya me ye video no wa ba out na be punching lines am de be ma o woni konti hene bokode e konti hene nayas sa bokode e nayas bokode e mama let's take me chiawo nayas mama let's take me see me chiawo nayas don't joke with me daddy me ko jina police station am say wo me ni umi enu ye be chia ya wo Ghana me no mienu ye betia yam e wo Ghana because adwuma ye na ye yo obi e tumi fom na wo tumi soa me ho ye wo henya wo tan hey me say battle battle line no I drop me no mienu ye be kon boot for boot na yes wo asofo na wo sori akosrasro mo asofo me ba ho so bakọ de sister so we mistake won adia me show wo kromu ham wo audios new videos bia me won don't dare me say me ka bi tra baba we bi ena oni hwe ena wo jimi na me to no one bomb e true cast no de me nam na me ye kumi on me ye say me won mo de mu nim nipa na me te wo no me ye say me won o so kra wo so onim de adi mechi woni mo mati mi mu mo bodam na yes me no wo kasa me say boko de na ko so e wo woni brother Samir de no wo ya me mo bo sa sister no wo ya me mo bo na yes me say boko de na yes wo sorry anungwa na wo sorry ana wonam no eye boko de sister I want you to come out. I want you to come out. Then you will feel me. You will feel the woman, the man in me. You will feel me. Nana draw a song. I mean no. You will feel me. You will clap for me. You over swam me. And some fun Ghana and some fun what to me the memo be manage me I can some one time sister what to one chef for my who bene one that I was on of it one that what to one chef for my we will start and say one night I one night see from I won't for ben sorry I will come once no I won't for ben and I sorry I come once more so what would dear dance here say na not here now mo sorry ya it's not the munya shrink come family munti so I nanim tan and I no one ye fe me one ye fe kwa me I worry be man you nyam pressure ni me so me metu we pressure ni me so ma worry awu ma papa bi I worry aware papa bi oti ase anu nti no madam jina yie pa ana me kobom ayi dua o kasa mebo ni dua wo bebo ni dua wo di dua be renra ayi Pamela wo di dua bo be renra no wo di dua bo wo bo bebo wo bo dua me so Pamela nsa ade na kwa akobobi sen wo di wo bodam papa what bodam me say agro na start it so to me me kunko jina police station na me nim say obe kan obi die na me nim say wo de wo anu a ye de kan obi die na me nim say wo de wo to be kan obi die wo de anu poso de time pa wo de anu kwa de time se de wa usitina ho me ye tarnish akle image Who from Madam Papa? Oh, we are saying 2 years ago. Me mammy talk. Me mammy wolf full and friend saying, Akoko mano, and tin and mammy, or Unimunyansa where Jimmy Wanko Skunti, won't she has said. 1 year education or what brabo muntino, what okay cancer my insist so. Or because oh, mammy, I can't bear it, sir. Send the family, I can say, and I will have mammy dim, and mammy, I will for farmer, Crasini ba. Krasini ba unia gronche. Krasini ba unia gronche. Hey, Mr. Menewo. Sister Gina here. I want you to respond to me. I want you to take me anywhere. And I will face you. Menana Brown. Me face you. When I ask. Me face you. And when say me. South when near them. Me say me didn't have with you. Me sansu ye son. Me a 7th born. When you moment when you did what bottom? When you me here, I have been sunny and can't show. So about 2 months in the trim. Be say million problem. No one come as someone chow. Me kwatna kumase from nowhere. Me too many moments tonight. Me jinase panye. Kumasi sinitrim. I ain't for the near 2 addressing. Ye and Rossi. Me jinae. What the woman? Me trouble back. What bottom? Kwasi ade nkwa na buku kromu ana moye. Kwasi asem nkwa. Oh sorry ah. No baba na me de wo kwa we. Na me de wo kwa court Krasini. Unim court kwan. Me se me twɛn. Me twɛn. Na nsama me de be ba bonten no. Se wan kasa utumi sorry kra pia bonten a. No wada wunyame ase. Se utumi sorry e pia bonten a. No wada nyame ase. Unim wa. Wo start ya na me show din, na me din, na me show din, na me yodi. Me se me twɛn. Na mrepa ne de no ho beba. Sa wo de utumi ni obi kwotena se discuss obi. Wo utumi ni obi kwotena se a discuss obi. Ama wo de wo fa hudi. Wo guri pa nani mas no oni chance. Wono de wo nya nipa. So obeka ho asem. Sa de a wo ye na ya. Wa medi watam. Wan kan some money. Asem obeka ya ne se. A friend say, "Dia we ye the mesh unya da, next unya da for pa because there's some show me who ye." So some no kind. What be your videos ye no? What be your videos ye no? Dinner tam. And now ya me kasa me bo udua. En fa dua bombem. Na wo kra ye mo udua. En fa dua bombem. Na dua bo no bi animmo. Ebi musu bo ma ne ye adwuma pa. Ebi musu bo ankɔhwe. Enada ho da. And that down da. Wo fo se ni ba ya akola okromu ha ho. Wo fo se ni ba ya akola e wo kromu ha. Kwasi ade ye nko ana, wo ti wona wo ye. Ana me mani edin. When you police station wo kasa ana na sorry for se ni edin. Ana okeke kan crofon won sem kwasi e. Wo bada that say wo na yas. Mani edin ana obi kan ukun wonsem ya tutu nsem gu ukun asuma ube pa me chodi esu eda YouTube munkore udi esu aben frame me se me nya video man ye gu aware me jimi fo ya twe camera si manim eye video blasting crofoma o e manu na edin ni mani edin ojo se e na fo sa na ode obeka obi en kwasia Ofo se na no odin. Nti obeka obi asem. E na de eno ana wo ka no. Na police ni bi suspect adam wo asem ana. Ko police station here obey. Wo asem ana de. Wo kura no de wa papa. Nsem no wo na ejina wo so. Me de me ye den. Interview amemi ti me ba bi obi abeka da asem. Enye ni brain o tan a. Me se Pamela, mon tag ni mame. Wa oni me wie pe forget ni number inbox me. Forget ni mame. Na me man lawyer. Na when see woman no so ye chimi for ankasa no so kwa me hu ni suni pada na won see na ya asene pa so so wachi mi ewi ase ne wa no wo wi ofo nsa na wa hwe wonsa sa wo wi ofo nsa na wa hwe wonsa wo wi ofo nsa hwe wonsa obi abeka asem seconds masma me kan ya na say oh yeah na yas one mami oh ye de nyame ase masama me kan ya ni man kan sem bone man kan sem bia ababa wait time me ko see police station na me twa kwan na wono awo krade asem no kwan utu fiada kwase aba jimifo sansani wo wada na me ne me kuaja me manketo agufie ene ye twa police station kwan asem no hu ni ti hu ne nan hu ni ti hu ne nan we ya sam na uko nshira ya shira me kunu ka tem se me nyedi na nkasa time na dia na ka me hyewo no ade na ka mpesa me hyewo no me kunu o se me ntwa so me kunu se uko nshira me kunu o se me ntwa so once when they want to me police station order because no unim how be face me ni me kunu anye ya yi me kunu ya ye bia ma order tina hu kwan ya be face me ni me kunu to want to me wo den meba me na kwan so meba we nsi ho na sem dikoguye shame on you any one account and wa ba betena bonten ana wo ye nkrasesam me se me unya mo fa video ni bi tag no hu se me kana sam me na na won respond me so on down o se on order me dem hu na ni eden ne da me person na ni eden no di shia me ni ye hwe who is who o bodam papa who sare sa wo so fi aguna achim so adro sa wo ni aguna so adro wo ko ho na wonam ti so adro to so adro ye be who is who o bodam papa kwasiade ye nkwa na oti Ghana ha na chimie tumita ne she apostle John Pra image amini bi se be ma wo ko ware ne de ka ye hu ne so bi da apostle John be ma mi sure abi ne ho akonno. Can you imagine you so say word we mistake they make kan ho akonno apostle John Pra no na mo ne ho ye twoka otwa e papa nu nyamfo hwe ne age hwe no ho to be you so say word ne ma no e fa ho die tnase e didi ma ho to free e daddy Ernest Opoku tnase ma ho to free e da ba zan ko tna ayi wo kikae fa free wo dia wo na awo maame me na na brother ye pai me feed him me ni maame me ni anuano me ni obia wo kan obi o wa anuano my sister me wa anuano mo ye 13 o ye pai me was sisters papa na me show me sisters ni bia me sisters ni bi no ye nkasa bepere me sisters ni bi no omo wodin but ye nkasa what am I say me wo anuano mpanimfo a wo mo dibre but ye nkasa me wo battalion ye mankwa da baba nti ye kan nuano ma me wo anuano wo anuano atumi di me na mama se ye ntwa da pa na me chiri ba kra si wo fesi wa me chiri ba kra so so wo fesi wa wo betumi fesi sister don't try me and then put their komko say ya metiti bremu na madwana wo de nka wo sa wo enka wo sa kra anunti mon tagi Pamela mame na mon ka je me say me man lawyer won fa na ya asen court na mon ka je me say won fa na nko ye jimifo won fa ne court sika e ka obebo bia me sponsor no on kwase insamfu won fa ne court say ye obi be di adanse keke e ma utumi di mi kojina police station ene na wo watanish ni image ashawe ni wo ye say ni de e was okusan no ho because tornado no better can only evidence via. Sasa no better only evidence. And no debate snap on tin or the kind. And unti e be church him. Na me twen mo ba pontin. Na me say me answer na me can sembi. And I may hear sembi wono. Me kita me evidence. Me want me pictures. What's some bon? What's some bon? Some sign. Na yes. Wo a sign a bon. Na any wo wumpo. Yan tarnishi with image. Wo wumpo. Yan tarnishi with image. When I bet tarnishi with image. Wo wumpo. Sister. Don't try me. Don't dare me. What am I saying? We don't know me and me come the bats and I catch and say, in Sembi wa amenka. Na kabe sama in me de baba. Kabe sama, kabe a jam so na one can or chinabe to me PF with them. Na Kenya. Can sama me de baba. When you was serious, ni pebia. When you were papa, once a more time, papa. When you want casa, and so unyo biasa, unyo bia. Nayas unyo bia. Bebe na tuno. I belong in Kwana Adenam. Unyo bia, we are the parfum casa. We are fun. Me say I'm waiting for you. Na men chiro di ntia me keka sansam no me say we fun unyo bia we shameless wa bra boy me time papa me na me ka chiro bra out na me improve di ntia me ka sa chiro asiaba ba ho atwentwem ns kan house TV da ho ntwentwem ye shimi for ba say wo be trend ne ye be boa trend and ya wow am a wenya me na me boa mo wenya trend wakasa no honest asem ni say ware twem nti no asa ka wo ma na pese ye tu din a na akoye interview NNS aye say yo NNS say yo NNS say asasa ye tu din ti me be boa fa video si wanim na be face me na me show ensem bi me ma ensem na yes, wo me say, dana wo de me ko gina police station. Na me say wo, me benya ho adaje. Na ma fesho, me say na me yema de. Benya ho time. Na ma fesho, na ma shade. Uda me sam se pepa. Wo. Wani wo papa. But me show di na me raf wama. When you want casta sister. Utumi yesa. Na yes utumi yesa. I'm talking in quotes. Utumi yesa. We are shameless. I want you to come out. Then I will prove to you what I want to say. Mesana me yema dear. I want you to come out. Now what is here? Ye di pesi. Ucha ye be cha. Only God can bring me down. Muna mo sori amuni mu no too. Muna mo sori amuni ni penya asem social media. Na mo de nenam. Na mo sie gwan fun. Na mo ye we hwe. Me I will live. I will never die. You people, you can't kill me. Onyame fa me kra en semo monsa. Wonyankopon on fam me kra and samuni pebi sensa never. Now me try at the right time. I have things to say at the right time, not now. Wonyame me sum no Shadrach Meshach and Abednego nyankopon. One fam me samon sada. God of Abraham nyankopon on fam me samon sada. I'm telling you. On fam me samon sada. Na me ebe kum yanka mo breso wa bodam sa wo to meet na ho e ka obi asem na sa wo de wonni fo a wonyame ndi me ne wontem asem wonyame na yes wonyame ndi me ne wontem asem me kun ma me sign e se metwa so enye sa me kan ya yenka na me twa wo response wo babo ntia nya me adma Thursday evangelist aden sem no so no ye de beba ye be chechire mu madofo nyina me damase